Well, chaps, what's going on? We are back and we are going to discuss the recent trade I just took. Now, I've had a lot of people say to me about that they can't really read the broker because it's very small. I've tried to zoom this in. I actually don't know how to do it. If anybody knows how I can zoom in on this broker, that would be spectacular. I don't know if I can do it through OBS or something. I might have to. I'll fuck about with it here and see what I can do whenever I'm trying to record this here. So, the new trade we just took is a Strangle on ZB. Now that's the futures version of the 30-year treasury. So you could do this naked on TLT if you wanted, but the buying power requirements would be much better on futures. So I actually went 43 days out, and I did the 108 strike and the 133 strike. Now the reason I entered this is because FOMC came in pretty neutral. You know, he was quite hawkish, dropped the one rate cut, but CPI also dropped. So I think we're going to be range bound on this for a while, and the charts furthermore back that up. So if I come in here, so this is ZB, 30-year futures. Now if I put on, or first of all, what you can see is we're actually kind of around like a very nice average price at the minute. And if I put on our supply and demand indicator, you can see we're very range bound here. So we've got this massive monthly demand here, and we've got this massive weekly and monthly supply here. So I think we're going to chop here for a little bit. And you know, I only took 40 days out. You could go much more aggressive on the strikes. You know, I'm betting that we are not going to go down to here. Right. What strikes did I take again? Sorry. 108, 133. So I'm betting we're not going to go to here. Or all the way up here. Oh shit. So you can see that is a massive range. So I am actually debating doing a longer term one as well. And we'll have a little look at that together now. But to me, this is fantastic. You know, the range that we're stuck in right now is great. We've also got this swing low if we decide to take a longer one, which comes in at 107. And we've also got this swing high coming in at 126. You know, this swing high coming in at 134. So let's have a little look and we'll see. Now, this trade that I actually took today, let's analyze it together. So I got 0.06 credit, which is $94. So if I just go back to sell on these, so what we can see is I collected $94. I put up 1.2k in buying power as collateral, and I'm actually just curious what I can do with OBS here. Can I zoom in? This will be interesting to see if I can actually zoom in for you guys on OBS. I've never used this, so if anybody knows how I can do things like this, that would be fantastic. I don't actually know if I can zoom in or not. Let me see. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to fuck the video up. So, oh, maybe this is working. I don't know if this is going to come out in the video, but we'll try it anyway. Okay, so what you can see down here is I'm collecting the $94 of extrinsic with a 1.2k in buying power, and we are going to close at a 300% stop loss on this one, and we can either let this expire worthless or close at 50 to 75%. Will just depend on how choppy it is and depend on what the debit we have to pay back is around the halfway point of this trade, but we'll find that out shortly. So the next one I'm looking at, if I just fix OBS now, how the fuck do I fix this? Sorry if this, I don't know what this is going to look like in the video, me doing this, but okay. The next one that we're going to, fuck, I could probably pull that out a bit, make it a bit better. The next one that we're going to do is we're going to go out and we're going to look at the 71 DT. Now I've actually got an order in here for an iron condor to see if it fills with a lucky fill, but I don't think it will. But what we could actually do on this one is we could sell the 106 or even go more. Well, actually probably better to go more aggressive on this. We could go 0.05 delta on either side. So right here. And if we go 0.0, that's not even a 0.05 delta. That's our 0.05 delta there, and that's our 0.05 delta there. We're going to get $281 on 1.4k buying power. That's fantastic. And as you can see, that is a 108 strike and 131 strike. And 108 strike is exactly the same ones we've chosen for the shorter term. And the 131 is way up here. I personally think this is going to stay range bound. I really don't see why this would break out anytime soon unless anything drastic happens. And again, on this, for $281, I'd be doing the exact same thing. And I'd be stopping out at a 3x loss. Or probably, actually, I'd probably round this and I would stop out at an $800 loss. Is exactly what I would do in this. And on this longer dated one, I would definitely take profit at the 50% mark. Anyway, guys, quick little update on the account. If I zoom, I really don't know if this is actually working, the zoom in feature, but I'm going to try it anyway. There's the update on the account. We're currently up 7k on the year on the futures account. We are at only 73% buying power, although it's actually a lot less than that because I have orders open. I have a lot of those orders open on copper, trying to just flick a couple more fills on copper if it's possible. I really don't know what this is going to look like. I feel like a dickhead making a video of this quality, but you know what, it is what it is. There we go. That's all I wanted to discuss with you today, guys. I wanted to show you that trade and show you how we are planning on making, you know, the guts of about $300 in a month here between these two trades. So thank you guys for watching. Well, we'll call it $200 in a month with our take profits where we're going to be placing them. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Join the Discord where we're currently on a 77 win streak with our trades. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.